Alright guys and gals, if you're looking for products to get wholesale for your boutique or Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, whatever it may be, we have some suppliers for you today. Today we have our suede 2.5-inch heel and fringe ankle boots. This color it comes in beige, and let's see, you can see that it's $106.91 and 12 come in the package. So if we do the math on that, I think I just did it, but I'll do it again. 106.91 divided by 12, you're looking at about $8.90. That's shipped to you. This is $106, shipping included. Okay, that's everything. Now this isn't the end all be all, but this is a rough close look of what you could potentially make. These are just some that I found that's in that brand. So if you're looking at about $8, I mean, you could easily make your money back, you know. And that's just a quick glimpse of what I was showing you. But if you're selling on Mercari or Poshmark, you can sell it for whatever you want, $30, $40, $50, and make your money easily. But we have this, and let's see, I actually have a description. It comes in sizes 6 through 10. Okay, it's 12 pairs to the box, okay, to the package that you'll be getting, and it's beige in color. So this is what you'll be getting. It's a micro suede upper with the rubber outsole. So if you're interested in that, and we have more on the website, so this is just one that I just did the video for. And also, you don't need a sales certificate. A lot of people have trouble because they don't have a sales certificate or EIN and all of that stuff. You don't need that with us. Just put your order in and we'll take care of you. We've been doing this for years, and we've been on YouTube for quite a while as well. So we aren't going anywhere. If you need any help, if you have any, also our phone number is up here. So if you need to call us, you can call us. We're pretty much here Monday through Sunday, 9 to 5. So go ahead and check us out. We're gonna have some more stuff coming up. I'm gonna be doing some more videos, so you guys can go ahead and put your orders in. Thank you. And I'm out. Oh, another thing, like this video, subscribe to our channel, because we're going to be coming out with more stuff. And also, these are just the wholesale, but I'm going to have some stuff that if you just want to purchase just a particular item that's name brand, I'm going to have those coming up as well. So you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to have like Michael Kors and Marc Jacobs and stuff like that. It won't be wholesale, but it'll be 70 to 80% off of retail, because we get everything we buy by the truckload, so we can pass the savings on to you. So subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you, and we're out.